welcome back to my channel. My name is April. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. And in today's video, I'm going to do this look right here using the Jaclyn x Morphe, and this is in the palette Boss Bling. This is the purple palette right here. As stated in my previous video, I'm going to give each palette their own time, their own shine, their own look, so you can see how each palette performs individually versus doing all the shades at once, or just doing one palette and leaving the other three behind, and you never know how to create a look with the rest. So I thought I'd split it up into 4 individual videos, giving each little palette their little camera time, their little 15 minutes of fame. Before we get into the video, please don't forget to like this video, give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a comment below, and let me know you are here. Alright guys, so without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm going to start off by priming my eyes with the Kylie Cosmetics concealer in the shade Try. And I've been using that a lot lately instead of my 24-hour eye base by MAC. I like the way that the concealer kind of just takes away any discoloration on my eyes, and it gives me a smoother surface to work with. I still do really like the 24-hour eye base by MAC, however, sometimes I just feel like it makes my shadow skip because I don't wait to like let it dry down sometimes. So the first shade I'm going to go in with is the color Hush Hush right here. And I'm just going to take that on a MAC 224 brush. I thought this color would look like a little ashy on me, but it's actually not that bad. The next shade I'm going to go in with is called Sparks, and it looks like this. And I'm taking the same, sorry, that was a lot. I'm taking the same 224 brush. I didn't stretch that much pigment. Okay, so the next shade that I'm going to use is called Gem. And it is so pretty. Like this purple is so pretty. Is it focusing? There it is. I'm gonna swatch it on my hand. Like, look at that. It is so pretty. I am going to take that on just a flat synthetic brush, and this is a Sedona Lace EB11 brush. Again, any flat synthetic brush will do. I'm going to spray it with a little Fix Plus. And just put this like all over the lid. I'm trying to think if I should just use my finger. Try my finger. Look at that. That is so pretty. I'm gonna take this small tapered brush. This is a Sedona Lace EB15 brush. And I'm just gonna blend out my crease so it can look a lot smoother in the transition. So next, I'm just going to do a little bit of a wing liner, as usual. I try not to do wing liner sometimes, but I just feel like my eyes don't look the same. I mean, I guess I could skip wing liner, but no, that's alright. I'll do a little one. So for lashes, I'm going to do the Lily lashes in the style Hollywood. Okay, so I'm going to finish the rest of my face, and then I'm going to come back and do my under eye and lip, and then we'll talk about this particular shade palette in the vault. Be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I've completed almost the rest of my face. I've done my foundation, my contour, my blush. I'm gonna finish my eyeliner, my highlight, and my lips on camera. So for the under eye, I am gonna start off by using Feline as always under my eye. And then, I'm trying to think, do I want to take this purple again or this darker shade? I think I'm gonna take this darker shade right here, and that's called Berry Treasure. And I'm gonna take that to set the Feline. And then, let's see, I'm gonna take the purple shade Gem, that's on my lid. I'm gonna take that and smoke out the Berry Treasure. A little bit much. I'm just gonna take a clean 221 MAC brush and kind of blend it out a little bit. I'm gonna take Glitz and Glam, which is this guy right here. I'm gonna take that on a pencil brush, a 219 brush by MAC, and just pop that on the inner corner. And I'm gonna kind of bring it into the gem on my lid. So while my mascara is setting, and before I spray my face, I do still need to highlight. So I'm gonna go in with the Cree Collection highlighter, and it comes in this container like this. And what I love about it is that it has like a little case stopper right here. I don't know if you can really see it, but it has like a little case stopper where you're able to just like pop it open and close it so it doesn't spill everywhere. It is a powder highlighter. So I'm gonna just take a little bit on the back of my hand. Like, look how pigmented that is. That's crazy. It is like more of a loose powder. And oh my god. Oh, okay. This is so pigmented, guys. Oh my goodness. And did I tell you the shade? This is in the shade Bronzed. I'm just gonna take my NC50 and my Studio Fix powder and just dust off my Patrick's powder that I used to bake. Before I do my lips, I'm gonna set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. So pretty. Next for lips, I'm gonna go in with my Chestnut Lip Pencil, and this is by MAC. And for lips, I just used Yash lipstick by MAC, which is my favorite lipstick by MAC of all time. Like, I love Yash. I love Yash with Chestnut. I love Yash with Cork. I love Yash with BFF3 by ColourPop. Like, Yash is just like the perfect nude ever. It is a brown nude, but it's just so perfect. Like, I love this lipstick. So next, I'm just going to tap off my lips with the ColourPop Times Ellery lip, and this is in the shade Stilo. Alright guys, so that completes the final look for the Jaclyn Hill times Morphe and the palette Boss Bling right here. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you liked this particular shade palette. Let me know if you created a similar look to mine. Let me know if you liked the video, if you liked my look. Let me know anything you want to let me know. I always respond to your comments. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for sharing my videos. Thank you so much for supporting my videos. This means so much to me. Don't forget to leave a like. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Boss Bling. So this was the purple palette. I can't get this open. I'm like struggling underneath here. Underneath the camera, I'm like trying to get it open. Whatever. Anyway, let me start over. In today's video, I'm going to do a look. This look right here. This look. What would I be doing? But anyway, so far I love these. I should start over. This was so good. That was so good. Hi guys. What? Wait, no, okay. Am I recording? Am I recording?